Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Mark II Polo project again, and I just wanted to do a quick update today. I don't think there will be actually that much content because it's been absolutely freezing, as probably some of you will know, that in the UK. So working on the car really has been at the bottom of the priority list, to be honest. We have got some heating in here, but it's a big room, so it is difficult to get this place warm. So yeah, we haven't been here much. So one of the things that I wanted to update about is these side beams. Now, I've managed to get these off, and what I will say is this is an absolute labour of love, this, for me. I don't know whether it's the techniques that I'm using or whatever, but it was difficult to get them off originally anyway. Really, really sticky stuff that it used to keep these on. And getting behind them was the hardest part, really, just getting that first bit behind them and then pulling them out. I managed to get all of them off, apart from this one that did this door, and that one snapped. So I was a bit gutted about that because it would have been nice to have them all ready in case I ever wanted to put them back on or if I wanted to sell them. And now I'm doing the process of getting all the gunk off that it's left behind, and I tell you what, this is an absolute labour of love. So I started off with trying to use like a plastic scraper. That was kind of working, but not that great. And then I remembered I had some of this stuff. It's quite expensive, but this is called Goo Gone, and it's goo and adhesive remover. So by the label, this should be absolutely perfect for this job. And to be fair, it has made things a lot easier. So you can see here, I've almost done one panel. It has been a lot of work, don't get me wrong, a lot of elbow grease, just using a cloth with some of that on it and just rubbing it. But you can actually kind of put some of that on, leave it to soak for a bit, and then it does kind of come off relatively easily. There's a few little patches that are more stubborn than others. And yeah, there's a few scratches that weren't there before as well, unfortunately, but that's just the way things go sometimes, and at some point I'll definitely get them touched up. So that's how this side is looking, which is not looking that bad now. This panel in particular is looking decent, the door, and then there's just a little bit more work to do on there. And then round this side, you can see this is kind of the before I've done any work on trying to scrape it off. Let me just get this cover up out of the way. You can see here how much stuff is actually on there. I've actually got some of this off with alcohol, and this side isn't actually that bad, I'm just noticing. So that should be relatively easy to finish cleaning that up. And like you can see here, there's a few little scratches that weren't there before, but they're gonna have to get touched up. Not the end of the world. And the side of the car, on each side obviously, it's going to be looking a lot cleaner. Update on the wheel arches, you can see them. I've been spraying those and they're coming up really, really nicely. That's using that wax oil from Hammerite. Really happy with the results on that. I'm just cleaning this one up. This is the next one that's going to get done. You can see the half that I've done the prep for and the half that I haven't. So that all needs cleaning up, and then I can put a layer on that. You can see around this side, I've done this back arch. Look at that, it looks absolutely brilliant. It looks basically factory, and it leaves a kind of waxy texture on it as well. So I'm really happy with how these are coming up. This arch has been done as well. Just need to move that caliper and finish that off. But all in all, very happy with that. In other news, the poly bushings arrived. So this is the kit that I bought. It's Polybush. They're actually called Polybush. Revolutionize your ride. Stickers and stuff, instructions, and pressed 2 of those in using a big press. Again, we used that old school press. I will put the footage of that in now.
Bastard. It's going. That's definitely working a bit better now. Right, try that.
No, is that going to work? Yeah, that looks all right.
Didn't make as satisfying a noise that time.
No, I'm wondering if it's okay. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's so satisfying.
Yeah, that's getting in nice.
Perfect.
That's perfect.
Literally both sides, about the same.
Yeah. Nice. And as you can see, these are looking really nice with the painted arms now. I really like the red and black combination. Really suits the car. So they're pressed in. I need to do the other arm, but that'll get done at some point. I still need to do the work on the fan cowling, is it called? Or the fan cover. I just need to whiz this back with the wheel and stick a layer on there. I don't know how much I'm going to go into that. I basically just want it to look good when you open up the engine bay, so that still needs to be done. I still need to get these off the hubs, these bearing racers. I think I might have to buy a pull to get those off, but that's another task that needs doing as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I know it's only a small one, but that's pretty much all that's been happening with the car this week. Not an awful lot, just because the weather has just been insanely cold. A little bit better the past couple of days, but yeah, hopefully next week things warm up and we can get cracking with a few more things. So as usual, thanks for watching. I'll be updating you all again soon next week, hopefully, and hopefully there will be some more progress.